Kailangan mo lang dito, sagana ka parati sa juice para parati siyang basa. Ang makagandaan dito, mausok siya, mas malasa. Now, in contrast to the other Rebuildable Atomizer, the only advantage I see, besides the price and simplicity of its look and feel, is meron siyang juice well. So, kahit mapuno mo siya or accidentally wala ka sarili mo, nalagay ka, hindi siya mag-overflow. At the same time, the wick inside, the juice well, it acts like a lamp or a typical cartomizer na pag napuno mo yung cart, doon siya kukuha ng juice. Subukan natin.
Facebook was focused more on those bigger brands. The fact that they are now doing this takes it to another level. And I would add to that his view that, if Larry Page, the CEO of Google, has to spend even a second thinking about what this means for Google's traditional search business, Weiser thinks that Facebook wins in the sense that Google has spent all this time and energy to develop Google Plus to compete with Facebook. Now, all of a sudden, if they have to be on the defense with their traditional business, is it a distraction? Does it get them away from a project like Google Plus, which is obviously aimed squarely?
Malasa, tsaka ramdam mo yung vape sa loob na namumo, tsaka yung flavor niya. Eksakto lang, tama lang, walang nawala, lalong nadagdagan.
And to a certain extent, I mean, they've never wanted to come out and build this and clutter it with ads in the first place. And I think that was always the challenge for Mark Zuckerberg, where he says,
ito pala yung
80% stronger for the same amount of weight compared to titanium.
So it's 80% stronger than titanium.
Yeah, for the same amount of weight of material. So that gives us
Holy
advantages in displacing weight from this part of the golf club and putting it somewhere else.
All of that R&D and tech innovation comes with a price tag. In 2011, Callaway spent $34.3 million on research and development.
So where else can this be applied?
Well, I mean, you can use it for all kinds of things. Callaway said that NASA has expressed interest with regard to aerospace flight, so watch Callaway.
Okay, we will. We'll be back.
Malasa siya. Lasang bakal. Tingnan natin yung loob.
To the opening bell. This is In the Loop with Ready Lou.